Hi friends, I am Sai Jitnya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll try to talk about the upcoming phone which is from the MI device which is called the Mi 11 Ultra. So recently we did get a lot of rumors as well. The Mi 11 Ultra going to have the secondary display on the back screen on the back side of the phone. So let's see friends in this video what are the things about the Mi 11 Ultra device, all the specifications and all the rumors I'll try to cover in this particular video. So right now friends, I do have the Mi 11 in my hand. So this is a Mi 11. So the Mi 11 Ultra is going to have the secondary display on the back side, which is a very small display. So this is how the display looks, as you can see friends, near the side of the camera. The only purpose of this display can be there where you can use the back camera as a selfie when taking the images. So that is where it might be kind of helpful in terms of using this secondary display. So maybe if you get any notifications as well, I think it might be able to display over there. But apart from that, I don't think it will be much helpful in case if you want to use this small display. It's very small to use as well. I think it even doesn't support any kind of touch on the display, so it will just mirror the front screen to the back screen. So that's what it does, I think so. So maybe if you're taking the images of your friend or anyone, they can see the actual style of pose what they are doing, and they can even fix while taking the images. So this is how it can be helpful, the backside camera. So these are the few things you need to know about the device. So this is the one main new feature they are trying to implement in this Mi 11 Ultra. So recently there's a couple of videos going on online regarding the Mi 11 Ultra. One of the YouTuber, he did upload all the experience on this using the Mi 11 Ultra. As you can see, he did show all the things about the Mi 11 Ultra. So let's discuss about the specifications of this Mi 11. So first is that we got to know the screen size is of 6.81 inches. So same screen size it's going to be there from the Mi 11. So these are, as you can see, and we'll be having the Snapdragon 888 processor with a 5000 mAh of battery. So slightly more battery than the Mi 11's mobile phone. So this is one thing to notice, and the same thing gonna be there. 120 Hz refresh rate and HDR10 plus certified and Quad HD resolution. So these are the same things which going to be seen from Mi 11 to the Mi 11 Ultra thing. So another thing is that they are decreased the main camera lens from the 108 megapixel to the 50 megapixel on the back side, as you can see friends. So they are decreased a little bit, and they added the 120x hybrid zoom option as well. That's a 120x hybrid zoom. So it's going to be another advantage in terms of the zooming capabilities in the Mi 11 Ultra, as you can see here clearly. And we can record up to 8K footage as well, and front camera is of 20. And there's nothing much special about this Mi 11 Ultra apart from this secondary display on the back side and 120x hybrid zoom. So apart from that, there is not much specialties going on. Even the zooming, it's not that I don't think it will be much highlight of this phone. Maybe the highlight of this phone is a secondary display which they are going to use. Even the fast charging supported is only 67 watts, not the 120 watts which we are seeing in most of the Ultra phones and premium and smartphones. So we still did not see the 120 watt fast charging in this Mi 11 Ultra. So we are seeing only the 67 watt fast charging when compared with the previously 55 watts from this Mi 11, slightly improved. So that is what the specifications of this phone are. So as I said, the main key point of this phone is particularly only the display of the backside. The display of the backside is kind of added secondary display. So that's where the things got really interested in using the secondary display, as you can see here. And we do have the three lenses here. One is used for the telescope lens as well. So these are the backside design going to look in the upcoming Mi 11 Ultra, as you can see friends. So these are my few thoughts about this Mi 11 Ultra. I don't think the secondary display might be useful a lot. I'm not sure how the Mi will be implementing the software optimization for this secondary display. So we need to see that. So maybe the 120x hybrid zoom megapixel might be helpful. I'm not sure. Until we get the phones, we will be seeing the camera samples, then we can decide. So these are the few specifications and the initial impressions about this Mi 11 Ultra. And for more details, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly friends. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video friends. And don't forget to check the links in the description for what live wallpapers I'm using in all of these three smartphones. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.